Alright guys, we just finished installing our Spartan Rifles Muzzle Brake of Death. Check this bad dog out. Whoo, Bessie. Oh, Betsy gonna be blasting it. So, very simple. We're level up front. We're level in the back. Tools I used, obvious, levels as always. Nice copper brush to scrub the threads and muzzle brake, and the crown. A punch to break loose the old brake. We had our little guy in our bag like always, but since we're at home, I like to use the big one, a little less effort. Used our good old breakthrough military grade solvent. Stuff's awesome, guys. Cut my time down to half. Other than that, guys, very simple. The video Mark Sluy does on YouTube is very easy to understand. I did it the same way he did it. I won't lie to you, it did take me maybe 2 or 3 times, maybe 4 to make it perfect, but that easy. Just do it.